Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is a dusk to dawn sensor LED nightlight. It's received 4.6 out of 5 stars. Over 10,000 have been purchased in the past month alone on Amazon, and it's an Amazon choice item. Introducing the LED nightlight, your ultimate home lighting solution. This sleek plug-in nightlight features a dusk to dawn sensor that automatically adjusts to ambient lighting, turning on at dusk and off at dawn to save energy. Find a standard electrical outlet in the area you want to light, such as a hallway, bedroom, bathroom, or nursery. Plug the nightlight directly into the outlet, then use the built-in dimming control to adjust the brightness to your desired level. This allows you to create the perfect ambiance, whether you need a soft glow or a brighter light. The dusk to dawn sensor will allow the nightlight to turn on when it gets dark and turn off when daylight returns, so you don't have to worry about manually switching them on or off. Perfect for hallways, bedrooms, or bathrooms, it offers a soft, calming glow without being too bright or overwhelming. Its modern design seamlessly blends in with any decor, while the LED technology ensures long-lasting performance. Place one nightlight in each area where you need low-level lighting during the night, near stairs, or in bathrooms or along dark hallways. The compact design allows the nightlight to fit snugly without blocking other outlets. The LED technology ensures that the lights are energy efficient, consuming minimal electricity, even if left on throughout the night. Enjoy peace of mind and a well-lit path all night long. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.